Louvre Hotel Group is a hotel company, hospitality industry. In 2001, we was faced to one challenge. I really want, in 2001, to centralize all my hotels through a data center with a very critical application. So the challenge we was faced was to have a strong network, strong bandwidth, but also with a good quality of services, with a real stable network. This application is very, very important for the hotel. It's manage everything from the reservation to the checkout process. Inside the hotel, 100% of the revenue of the hotel goes through this application. You go to the bar, this is the application, this application that's working. You do the check-in, it is this application. Over the web, it is also the same application up and running inside the hotel. So this is very critical. So 10 years ago, we have to make it work and prove this concept that in the hospitality industry, it is possible to centralize what we call the PMS, the Property Management System. It was a real challenge. We don't have any IT people on site. And it was one of the key challenges. After centralize the PMS, we can prove that we don't need to have IT people on each hotel to maintain the system. So the system, in fact, is very simple. There is only a local network, 2 routers, one for the primary line, one for the secondary line, and that's it. Everything is managed centrally, in fact. We was working with Colt for 10 years for 3 main reasons. The first reason was the technology. They was able to deliver the correct technology. The second reason was that this company was young and very dynamic, and this is what we need 10 years ago, but what we need today also. And the last was, but not the least, was the price. The price was the correct price for the correct technology. In addition to this data center and data network, we have also built with Colt all the voice network for hotel. This network, voice network, is delivered for internal communication, but also for our guests. A guest that wants to call US or Japan, he use a Colt line. I said the correct price, and it was the correct price. Compared to what we have before, the reduction was more than 30% compared to what we have. So the good services at the correct price. Over the last 10 years, this critical application was, in fact, not really stopped because of network outage, because we implement with Colt a backup network. And this backup network, when there is on the principal line an issue, automatically backup on the second line. So my hotels continue to work even if there is an issue on the primary line. So over the last 10 years, we developed this network. We increased the number of hotels, we increased the bandwidth, we increased the network line to follow up our growth, because the company grows a lot, and Colt was a real partner for that.